In a world where cybersecurity threats are growing daily, the demand for skilled professionals has never been higher. Are you ready to stand out in this competitive field and advance your career? The CISSP certification could be your game changer. The CISSP, or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, is one of the most respected certifications in cybersecurity. It's recognized globally as the gold standard for demonstrating expertise and commitment in the field. With cyber threats on the rise, organizations are searching for leaders who can safeguard their data and systems. CISSP certified professionals have the credibility to meet this demand, making them indispensable to employers. Why should you consider the CISSP? Let's start with earning potential. Certified professionals often see significant salary increases. In fact, the average CISSP certified individual earns insert salary data. Beyond the paycheck, CISSP opens doors to leadership roles and career advancement opportunities. It also provides enhanced job security. This certification is recognized worldwide, making you a top contender in any market. Achieving CISSP starts with preparation. The exam covers 8 domains from security and risk management to software development security. It's known for its difficulty, but with the right resources, you can succeed. Explore study materials like official CISSP TrainingCamp courses, CISSP study guides, and ISC2 approved practice tests. Dedication and thorough preparation are key to passing on your first attempt. CISSP isn't just a certification, it's a gateway to growth. It connects you to a global network of professionals, unlocking opportunities to attend industry events and join exclusive groups. Continuous learning is another key benefit. CISSP encourages professional development, keeping your skills sharp and relevant. Plus, it helps you build a portfolio that showcases your expertise and leadership in cybersecurity. With CISSP, you gain credibility, career opportunities, and the tools to thrive in a competitive industry. Whether you're aiming for leadership roles or securing a brighter future, CISSP can help you achieve your goals. Take the next step toward unlocking your potential. Pursue CISSP certification and transform your career in cybersecurity.